Hello everyone, unbox my BBL mannequin with me. Before I proceed, I must say that this mannequin is lighter than I thought. Like, it's very light. I can literally use two fingers to carry it up. And actually, this is the Nigerian made BBL mannequin, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing this mannequin for you all to see. Let me get my scissors. So this foreign BBL mannequin comes in a carton, right? But this Nigerian made come like this. In this video, I'm going to be telling you the difference between this Nigerian made mannequin and the foreign. I just said one, which is that the Nigerian made doesn't come in a carton. It comes in a nylon like this, and then the foreign made comes in a carton. Yeah. Another thing is the Nigerian made has like, oh, I'm in love already. Wow. So another thing is the Nigerian made has like handle, like sorry, the foreign made has handle here, a golden handle that you can use to like lift it up or something. But this Nigerian made does not have. Another thing is, you see the foreign made majorly has this rod is majorly gold, but this Nigerian made doesn't come with this gold rod, or do I call it stand? The Nigerian made doesn't come with this golden color stand. It comes with a normal silver color stand, like a silver colored stand. So I had to buy this gold stand separately with this mannequin before I could, that's why I have gold here. But this Nigerian made originally doesn't come with this gold, it comes with this silver. So if you want this gold, because the foreign made usually comes with this gold stand and the gold handle here. So I got the stand separately, and that's it. But if you want your silver stand that it comes with, you can as well just stick with it. But if you want it changed, you can change it. Aside these three or so differences that I said, there's no much difference. So this waistline, the waist is 24, the waist is 25, and the hip is 43. In fact, 44. See the hip. The hip is 44. This is the highest length. Yeah, this is the highest length, because when I lose here, this is how to loosen it. You just turn here. You can see that it's already coming down. So this is the highest. This is the, and even the foreign made is still the same length. It still has the same length. It can go inside as low as, and go inside as low as this, as low as this, and go inside this low. And this is the highest length. There's a little bit tear here that I'll fix myself. I actually saw it where I was buying it. I was just like, it's a small thing, I'll fix it. So this mannequin is 100% pinnable. Let me get some pins. It's 100% pinnable, just like the foreign. Yeah. So I got this mannequin. Together with this gold stand for 120,000 naira at Idumota Market, Lagos. So here is the review of my BBL mannequin. This BBL is really BBLing, and this mannequin is super light, very light. Let me hug the mannequin one more time. It's giving me joy. So that's it. I bought another one, that plastic BBL, normal plastic BBL mannequin with hips it's like exaggerated it's and I'm going to be unboxing that in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, let me know down in the comment section. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And in case this is the first time you are seeing my channel, my name is Oluwatso saying please do well to subscribe, and do not just subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified next time I upload a new video on this channel, because on this channel I upload sewing tutorial on daily basis. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.